Hi, today we're going to do things a little differently. We're going to approach people and just so that you know there's no cuts, and we're going to ask them about global warming. Let's go.
Hey, could I just ask you a few questions about global warming?
No.
Really quick. It's about the future of the planet.
That's okay, thank you.
Hi, I'd like to ask you a few questions on global warming.
Yeah,
Do you-
right now.
Do you believe in global warming?
Yeah, kind of.
Could I just ask you a few questions about global warming?
Actually, I'm just waiting for my friend there.
Sorry, he's waiting for me.
Could I just ask you guys a few questions about global warming? No. It's about the future of the planet.
Hi guys, do you believe in global warming?
No, not
No?
interested.
Why?
Future of the planet, save the world. It's about the future of the planet. Come on. I'm sure you can spare 2 minutes.
Okay, ask.
Okay. Do you believe in global warming?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, it's a major concern of our world.
Yes.
It's gonna happen. It is happening. It's not the point if we believe in it or not. It's happening.
Why do you think it happens?
Obviously, the pollution and everything.
It happens because of pollution.
Not exactly. Like people say that it's happening because of pollution and all that, but I think it's a natural process.
There's a depletion in the ozone layer.
We spend a lot of garbage.
Less use of public transport.
What? Global warming.
Global warming. That we don't know.
See, problem lies in human nature.
What the technology is doing to the earth, it's eating the resource in a quick time. All of us want, like even if you are using WhatsApp, everything, we want everything in a quick time, and it sucks the resources and it's like heating.
Carelessness towards the environment.
Apart from it, we are cutting down forest. That is the main reason.
There are many other sources. Like for example, cows, they fart. They contain CO2, methane, and all that.
What about the ozone layer? What do you know about it?
Actually, whatever the radiations that come from sun, so it protects us.
Ozone layer is depleting. I know that.
Okay.
Yeah, it's getting depleted.
Protects from UV rays from coming down to the earth, basically. So now that layer is damaging nowadays.
Do you think the world's getting hotter or colder because of global warming?
Hotter.
Hotter?
Yeah.
It's hotter.
Obviously hot.
That we cannot say actually the world is getting hotter or colder.
Obviously, it's getting hotter day by day, and the upcoming generation is getting a lot of effect.
Now people are saying that because of global warming, we're going to have another ice age.
Yeah, it may.
It's going to become colder.
Yes.
No, I don't think that.
I don't know about the concept of ice age, sorry.
What, movie?
No, talking about the environment here, something a little more serious.
The movie? Yeah.
No, just know that there's a movie on that.
Ice Age. I saw a film called Ice Age.
Yeah, I've seen the movie.
Well, skeptics say that we're gonna have an ice age, but then they're not also 100% sure, right? So,
Do you think global warming will affect us in like the next 10 years?
Nothing is gonna happen in the next 20 years. Be cool. Yeah, I don't know.
No.
Floods, tsunamis type.
The situation would be worse.
Floods are gonna come because of global warming. Obviously, if it goes on like this only, then the time is not far.
In 20 years, we won't be very much affected.
What can you do to combat global warming?
Use public transport.
We can create awareness, and we can, first of all, we have to correct ourselves.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's okay. Who cares?
Vote right for your country. Why so? Because leaders are, in the pocket of those people who are doing, who are industrialists.
To be very honest, we are doing nothing.
A single individual cannot do anything.
Okay.
It's a group effort, and everyone has to contribute.
Okay, we can spread awareness amongst the people who are unaware about it.
Avoid using ACs for too long.
Like I really don't think anything can be done, like except
use less of our own cars or for metro and something.
plant more trees and all that because ozone layer and stuff like that.
Maximize the use of public vehicles as far as possible.
The message is that if you're thinking about yourself, first think about the environment, because what you get is all because of the Mother Earth. So please protect the Mother Earth.